traffic, guys. My goodness, look at that. Memphis Life.
Favorite place?
My favorite
I'm just going to get a cup of coffee. That's all I know. Yeah.
coffee.
Yeah.
You believe that, guys? Me, I don't believe it.
Look.
Look at that. Funny! Really against my will. That man there, that. Look at this, guys. Guys. Split missing again, guys. Oh my. I try me ani, guys. Murag lami siya. Then cookies and cream cake. Cookies and cream. Then this is no coconut balls. Disappointed siya, guys. Kaya wala ang among favorite na bread. Nahusdan siya, guys. Kinahanglan ka mo rin dili sayo. Ay, dahil dito siya mahurot. So, ito siya i-try. So, let's try, guys. Cookies and cream.
That's so cool.
It's pretty good. That's good? But you're disappointed, right?
Oh, that.
Guys, we are again in a different place now. In Cordoba, Farmers Market International. So, guys, what next?
Wanting to come and get the fish?
So, let's get in, guys. See you later. The next stop is, I think, this is the last stop.